Swerte naman natin. Wow, grabe.
Oh.
Ang ganda pa ang shooting star. Swerte naman ng gabi.
Hello, Yang. Hi. Video.
Hello.
Hello.
Hindi naman ako makita. Today is October 29.
Alam mo na,
Yung hour, ano kayo dyan?
license.
Kulang ka pa. Nag-advance requirement po si Kulit. Wala pa ngang license.
Bad or good?
Bad.
Oh.
So, he need to claim his license.
Yes.
Para
I
hindi,
need
para
license.
may only requirements na siya. Pag walang license, hindi na mauulit yun.
I love this girl talking.
And who is she?
You.
You what?
You are...
Fiona?
No, you. You asking me. You who asking me.
And who I am?
You are, alam mo na, Jaya.
Okay. I love this night. The fireworks was so good. And so nice. Unforgettable night.
We're here in Moa. Eastside.
Si Kulit ko ay nagnakaw ng halik. Siya ay bad. Nagnakaw siya ng halik.
Love this girl talking.